here we have the brand new 2025 Mercedes S63 S-Class. Done a few of these. This is the first full BRABUS kit that we've done. Trips me out a little bit because it's a hybrid, so when you start it, oh, that wasn't my car. But yeah, it starts out in hybrid mode and then you turn into sport. And then the engine turns on as Sport Plus, just like the regular one. Really cool, really cool car, super fast. Got about 30 minutes before the customer shows up, so I wanted to go over this really quick with you. As you can see, it's wrapped up. We just finished ceramic coating it with the matte ceramic coating to kind of keep the PPF fresh, keep the car looking good, making it look extra matte. So we're starting here. We obviously got the stance dialed in. The customer is one of our first customers from back when we used to do bags by Boden. So he was one of our first airbag customers. I think we bagged 2 of his cars. It was like a Chrysler 300 and a Hellcat. That shows you how long ago it was. So he likes his cars really low, just like I do, which is great. So we slammed it, put on 22-inch HRE wheels, kind of the old school look. We've color matched the brake calipers to the paint, did a whole bunch of color matched parts. There used to be a bunch of black chrome on the car. Now it's either black or body color. Got the BRABUS front lip, the BRABUS carbon, the whole grille setup, emblems. Side of the car, there isn't much here, but used to be black chrome down there. Got the door handles all color matched. Window tint. This thing just looks super sick, just slammed, big body. The rear end got a lot of done here. We got the BRABUS carbon fiber diffuser, full catback BRABUS exhaust system, color matched the logos on the back by the S63 with two-tone. Hard to really tell, but the factory S63 is red, and then we did the body color with black on top, kind of a cool little accent. Carbon fiber, little trunk spoiler, and then a few little bits on the interior. Got the entrance panels here, light up from BRABUS, and then we have the floor mats. Nice little touch. This car is incredible. Great daily driver, you know, great dinner car, great family car, whatever you want it to be. So he'll be here pretty shortly. Great customer. We've done cars for his whole family for the past 10 years. Really excited for him to see. This is actually his dream car. He wanted this car for a very long time. He got it. Initially, all he wanted to do was wheels, tires, and a drop, and somehow he ended up full BRABUS kit, all out, everything. We were gonna phase it out too, because the kit was about 6 to 8 weeks to order. And then somehow someone canceled the kit that was locally in stock, so we did it all together at the same time. So I'm really excited for the customer to see the car for the first time. I've been kind of teasing him because he's been very antsy with the car, always asking me for updates, how's this, and I've kind of just been sending him teaser pictures, kind of blocking it with my hand. So he hasn't really seen what the car looks like yet. So he'll be here, hopefully capture his reaction on camera as well. So stay tuned.
Holy, that is awesome. Dude,
How are you?
so good, man.
Oh no, I haven't showed you anything yet.
No, you know, it's all right. I like being surprised, kind of, sort of. Oh my God, dude. That's
Yeah, come check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was hard.
Nice and tucked.
Yeah.
Oh man, the wheels turned out good too.
Yeah, with the billet cap, the color match on the cowl, like subtle stuff, like how, you know.
Yeah.
Doing it.
Yeah, I just like how the gloss lip adds like a little bit of texture too, along with like the gloss. The gloss carbon was
The rear end's my favorite.
Yeah, that looks.
And then you can't really tell unless you look closely, but we color matched where it was red and silver. Now it's black and
Oh,
paint
cool.
match,
Yeah. Very nice.
Little details.
It's always the little things.
Yeah, got
That's
the
what I
glass
like
on.
about you. You always do the little stuff.
Yeah. I know how crazy you are, so.
Thank you. My OCD feels better. I love how the color on this, the exterior color, isn't like just straight matte black.
Yeah.
So it kind of adds like a little bit more depth to it.
Yeah, I'm not huge on matte black. I think it's cool for these kind of cars, but the fact that it's like a dark gray, it's got a lot of contrast.
Yeah.
This was a pain in the butt. This is actually 38 pieces we had to paint.
To make it all gloss black.
This is a piece, and there's like 3 pieces in here. All these individual pieces. It was a lot of work, and then obviously even this was black chrome, and now it's color matched. So
Right.
doesn't look like a lot, but a ton went into it.
Like that's
Even this was silver on the outside. We color matched it. So
you know, it's little things like that people just they don't know why the car looks so much better than usual, but
Yeah.
like that's great.
I was telling him earlier we're doing your cars for 10 years plus now.
Yeah.
Bagged a Hellcat. We don't want to talk too much about that one, but. It's a long Chrysler,
Yeah, the
and all your
Chrysler.
dad's cars, brother's cars,
Yep.
wife's cars.
Yep.
Yeah, it's been a good ride. That's his brother.
How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you, bro.
Good to see you. Ugh, you're taller.
Yeah, man.
What's up, big man?
Hey, how you doing?
Good, dude. How are you?
Good. She looks pretty.
Yeah,
What do you
very
think?
clean. Oh, I love it.
Yeah?
I'm so pumped.
Took me like everything I had out to send.
I sent him actual pictures.
Oh, you
Yeah.
were setting up the real one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted you to see it and see it.
Yeah, no, I'm glad I got to see it in person.
Yeah, in person.
It's more fun that way, you know?
It is. The sad part was it wasn't until Friday when I texted you that I realized he's not going to send me any photos. That you were just messing with me and
No.
we're going to send me one. It's like, he's not, no. I'm
think
going to
it
have
was-
to see it.
I think you just wanted to see my hand more anyway. My furry hand. Waffles.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we added that.
Yeah, that sounds cool.
We're all wrapped up. Brothers picked up the cars. Very, very happy. So on to the next build. Make sure you like, subscribe, let us know what you think about this car. Also, guess how much this car is plus the kit. I want to see if you guys know how much the value, not the value, but the total amount spent on car and aftermarket parts.